Hi all, this is Joydeep. You are watching my channel Tech Guru Joydeep. So today I will show you unboxing of my Android TV box. So this is I buy it from Amazon. Today I receive it. Now I am showing you unboxing of this TV box, Android box. I am opening this box. See, this is the box, TV box, Android box. This one I'm opening this box as well. This is the box. Yeah, this is the box. Very small box, and design also very nice, very beautiful design. If you see, this is the power socket, and this is a HDMI socket. This is HDMI socket, and this is USB socket. This is the Ethernet socket, and this is the another USB socket. So design was very nice, very beautiful, and very portable. If you see, very portable, you can carry anywhere. Let's see other part of this device. This is the power adapter. This is the power adapter. This is the HDMI cable. This is the cable HDMI. And this is the remote. Very small remote. Very portable. Remote is also very portable. So this all about this Android TV box, and and another thing I have, that is the Android TV user manual as well. So you see, this is the TV manual as well. So yeah, that's all. Next we will show how it is connect to the TV, and how we connect to the Wi-Fi, and how to see the TV channels, and how to install apps. So details I will show you next video. Please subscribe my channel, give your valuable comments, so that I can make more video which help us improve my video quality as well. Thank you all for watching.